Hi guys, Amanda from Crafts by Amanda, and today we're making a farmhouse memo board. For this project, you'll need 8 tongue and groove pine boards cut to 24 inches long, some wood glue, chicken wire cut to 24 by 28 inches, heavy-duty stapler, a measuring tape, some wood trim pieces cut 24 and 28 inches long. Arrange your pine boards side by side with the ends lined up. Run a bead of wood glue along the tongue side of the pine board. Slide the tongue into the groove of the adjacent pine board. Continue until all the pieces are glued together. Make sure the ends all line up. Lay the chicken wire over the glued pine boards. Staple the edges of the wire to the pine boards. Continue all the way around. Line up the trim pieces with the outer edge of the pine boards. Nail the trim in place. Repeat around all 4 sides of the memo board. Attach a line for hanging on the back of the memo board. Secure a wire with a flathead screw on both sides of the board. Now you're all set to hang it up. Doesn't that look great? You can find more projects like this on craftsbyamanda.com. Thanks for joining me.